Hey guys, welcome to Creative Soft, and in this video we are going to do the unboxing of the Moto G84 5G, and it is one of the best phone available in the market for just less than 20,000, and I got it for 70,000 for the Amazon sale. And let me know in the comments below which phone you all are using, and are you a fan of Motorola or not. And basically guys, this is one of the best looking phones which are available in the market, I would say. And this Moto G84 is a new addition to it and comes with a OLED display, OLED, that is something called as plastic OLED, and comes with this vegan finish. Let me just open this and show you. Again guys, if you like this kind of videos, hit that like button and subscribe to my channel, and please press the bell notification icon to get any future updates. And coming back to the phone guys, the phone is awesome and gorgeous, and basically we get a case with it and a charger which is almost 33 watt, and it is having a USB A2 type C cable. And the only downfall I feel, so they should have given a type C to type C instead, and when it comes to 33 watt you cannot complain. And the phone is really good, gorgeous guys, and I'll just set this up quickly, and let me know in the comments below guys if you're thinking of again purchasing this particular phone. And one more thing I would suggest is just turn off all this toggle by Google and Motorola just to protect your privacy and all, and then you can set it up with Wi-Fi and whatnot. And I'll just skip for this particular setup, and I've been using this particular phone guys for about a week, and I really like the way this OS is built. And there are this bloatware, obviously you can see over here some additional apps and all which you can install. And the phone looks gorgeous in my opinion, especially this blue color. It is one of the best looking colors available in the market. And if you see this particular vegan finish guys, it is superb, and there is no competition or there is no other way around of seeing that this particular color. It is something called as Marshmallow Blue, I believe, and it's a very compact phone, I would say. And you can check out the entire specs on GSM Arena, so I won't be going into specs and details and all. The stock Android is good, and especially camera is one of the things surprisingly I liked of this particular phone. Mind you guys, the only downside of this particular phone is you cannot play 4K, and even if I click some random photos and all, as you can see, it is very nice and very crisp, and the photos are extremely good. If you see this particular photo guys, I'm pretty much impressed. And it is having several other modes also, as you can see. And basically it's somewhat like a stock Android kind of experience, which I really like it. And I'm just shooting outdoors guys, so make sure that everything is lit properly. And we have these other modes like videos and all. And in video mode you can select the resolution and whatnot, the aspect ratio, etc. And another surprising thing was that the ultra wide was surprisingly very good of this particular phone, and which I really liked it. And the slow motion is quite decent enough, so I won't be going into details guys, whether you should know which mode you need to use it. In overall guys, take my word, the camera is quite good, and we have these other modes also. So basically what I would like to suggest is just go for this particular phone if you are getting below 18,000. I got it for around 17,000, so for that particular price this phone is quite good. And as you can see over here, the Android experience is almost stock, and there is this Motorola skin which is there, and there are other features like chop to open the flashlight, or double just twist to open the camera, etc., and which really makes this phone a pretty much appealing phone. And even if you can see outside, the display is quite bright and it is pretty much visible. And the one thing what I really like, what I really I got mesmerized with, is this vegan leather bag, and this is in something called as Marshmallow Blue if I remember. And this is a 12GB 256GB variant, which is the only variant which is available, I guess. And as you can see, the color is quite good, especially the feel is second to none guys, and the 50 megapixel camera is awesome. So in short guys, if you're looking for a very good 5G phone with a OLED display, then this is the phone to get it. And I think Motorola have done a very good job, especially the charging is quite decent enough, I would say. Takes around roughly 1 hour 10 minutes to charge the phone to 1 hour no, 15 minutes something. And the battery life is quite good, gives around 1.5 days of battery life, and it is very handy phone also, especially if you are a woman, then definitely you will like this particular phone guys. Let me know in the comments below what do you think about this particular phone. Are you thinking of getting the Motorola? I hope you all enjoyed this video as much as we did while creating it. Please subscribe to our channel and do check out these awesome videos which we have it. Let me know in the comments below whether what are your opinions on the Moto G84 5G. And again guys, thanks a lot for watching this video and see you in my next video.